Hi, my name is Stuart Murray. I'm the president of PPI Technologies Group, and I'd like to welcome you to our factory flight tour. PPI Technologies Group headquarters has two facilities with over 150,000 square feet located right here in sunny Sarasota, Florida. In addition to the two plants, we also have plans for the building of a distribution center on the almost 2-acre adjacent open lot we own. As you walk into our factory, you enter our bistro area, where team members can be found taking a break from the day, drinking coffee, playing table tennis, or challenging each other to a friendly game of pool. Leaving our bistro, we enter our showroom, where our goal is to have a variety of machinery that we sell in the North and South American markets. This showroom allows us to highlight PPI's capabilities, as well as sell machines directly from stock to those customers needing immediate delivery. Many times a customer can actually visit us and watch their product running successfully on our machines before they ever have to buy the equipment. As we leave the showroom, we enter our manufacturing arena. This is where ours and our customers' dreams are really brought to life. Our team are extremely proud of the custom work we do right here in Sarasota, Florida. From specialized programming and testing to systems integrations, our manufacturing team are the best in the industry. If it can be done, we're the team to do it. Leaving our manufacturing arena, you will see our stocking locations and shipping department. At any given time, we carry over $3 million in inventory, allowing us to ship parts next day delivery to our customers requiring urgent part supply and therefore minimizing their downtime. Now that you've seen our facilities and what the PPI Group can offer you, we welcome you to come on down to sunny Florida and take a look in person.